No. Oh, I guess I could do a recording. This is my my grow light. And that's a great blue heron, by the way. Mom had that. These are my plants. They're seeds. I don't know. These are actually I told you I was gonna get cantaloupe. These are exciting to me. I'm gonna make stuffing peppers. I don't know what the hell. And then I've got this is honor of Uncle Bill. Banana peppers. He always had one after dinner. Some of the pictures are standard, but I got. Where are all the? I do these every year. The straight 8. Val does the burpless, but I'll never burp. But one of them is this is kohlrabi. This here is pickled cucumber. I'm excited about that one. Whatever. And then this one here is these are tomatoes. Early girl they're called. And then there's got 2 of those, and then I got Brussels sprouts. And I got cabbage, because I'm focusing on cold, wet weather ones. I got rutabaga. That's on the other pile. These are cherry tomatoes. And then I got Roma, too. I don't know where they're at. Anyway, just a little bit. See my creation? No, I had to redo the plug. That's that side. Here's my worm bins. Want to see my worms? I gotta water them. I think I did. See here? I don't know if you can see them. I'll try and find you a worm ball. See them all? I don't know if you can see that. See the red worms? See, look, there's a worm ball. They cling together. That's how they have sex. They're both male and female. Hermaphrodites. Then they lay little eggs. See that? Oh, there's a worm ball for you. They eat my chicken. I share the. Yeah, I gotta water them though. See, there's worms in there. See, I give them that chicken. That's chicken feed right there. I share the layer mash with them. You just go like this, and then you water it. I'll come back and water that. Except now I have dirt under my fingernails and I don't have any running water. So there's my inverter. And so the thing is that I'll come back to that. Here's the second part. You recognize these? Doctor, I think he has a broken femur. And then here I made this one. I have 2 more, but these are the mushrooms. They didn't turn into jack. But I'm using that to hold this up. It's pretty. So in other words, all my seeds. Oh, here in this silver thing. This is plugged in too. This goes into the. See, it's getting warmer already. I showed you that. So they get heat from the bottom. I put it up here because it's further away from the brick heater. And then so what I can do is with these 2, these are the 2 wires going into. I can take and put them into this here when the sun is out. Then it's free. But free. But then, see here, this, and then you never want to leave stuff on top of the brick heater. The heat's going to come from this here and heat this one. And then, hot air rises. And that's it. I'll send pictures too. Ciao.